How to remove someone from family sharing. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, first you need to open Gmail application, log in with your Google account, then click on the top right corner on your profile. After that, you simply need to click on it again, go to Google account. Here simply head towards sharing. Click on people and sharing, go to manage your family group, then you will see all the members of your family group here. So as to remove someone who is under 13 years old, you can simply click on their member ID and at the bottom choose the option of remove the member. And then after you need to provide your verification, then you will be able to good to go. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.